Most students are well done in question 2A1. Question 2A2. Good performance. Students are clear about the cause of decrease in oxygen content due to slurry leak. Some students failed to understand the meaning of slurry and mistaken it as fertilizer and lose marks. Question 2A3. Good performance. A few students made wrong calculation by forgetting to divide 7 minus 1.6 by 1.6. Question 2A4. Poor performance. Some students suggested other parameters. For example, ammonium concentration should be measured, which has no help in increasing the precision of determining the site of the leak. This indicated most students lack techniques in handling experiments. More hands-on experiments or field trips should be done during routine teaching processes. Question 2A5. Poor performance. The focus of the question is on the difference in effect itself, not the process that caused the effect. Both slurry and chemical fertilizers will lead to decrease in oxygen level. The reason for the effect are different. One is due to bacterial growth, and the other is due to algal growth. Students should read the question carefully and answer to what is requested. Fertilizers are leaking out of the soil. This process is called leaching. The fertilizer will be present in the soil for a longer time, and the leaching time will be much longer than the intermittent leakage of slurry from the farm. The turnover rate of algae is obviously slower than bacteria, which has a turnover rate of about 30 minutes. So the difference in the effect should be pollution duration. Students should read and interpret the question with high cautiousness. Question 2B1. Good performance. Most students are clear about how nitrogen dioxide lead to acidic soil. Question 2B2. Fair performance. Some students wrote that copper comes from the industrial waste from the factory, which is wrong, because there is no indication that the factories are releasing copper as waste, only releasing nitrogen dioxide and nitrous oxide are given. The copper waste in the landfill should be coming from other sources. So without knowing where these sources are, the landfill itself should be accounted for as the source. Some students are able to point out the source but lacks the chemistry knowledge to explain. That is, copper reacts with or dissolves in acid to become copper ion. Question 2B3. Good performance. Students are advised to first generally define bioaccumulation, then specifically describe what is accumulated, then explain how the accumulation of the substance causes the effect. Question 2B4. Good performance. Students are well aware of the harmful effects of nitrogen oxides.